If you want to figure out how to open HEIC file in Android, don't miss the video here. You'll find 4 easy and quick methods to view the HEIC file on Android. Part 1. How to open HEIC files on Android over Gmail. Open Photos app on iPhone. Select the images you want to share. Tap Share. Then Gmail. Compose a new email to yourself, attaching the selected HEIC files. Send the email. Access your Gmail on Android and download the files. Part 2. How to open HEIC file in Android with Dropbox. Download and install Dropbox app on your Android. Log into Dropbox on a computer. Upload HEIC pictures to Photos folder. Sign into Dropbox on your Android. Tap Photos folder to view HEIC files. Part 3. How to open HEIC on Android via Play Store apps. Open Google Play on Android. Search for HEIC Viewer. Choose Luma, HEIC to JPG Converter and Viewer. Check reviews, downloads, and overall rating. Download and open your HEIC file with the app. Part 4. How to open HEIC file in Android after converting it on PC. You may be tired of opening HEIC by transferring the HEIC file with some tools. Batch converting HEIC files to JPG and JPEG with Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter makes it easy to open the photos on your Android phone. Step 1. Add HEIC images to the program. Step 2. Set output format for photos. Step 3. Convert HEIC file to Android.